In problem 10, we have to factorize x cube minus 6xk plus 11x minus 6 and then sketch the curve. First of all, we find the factors of x cube minus 6xk plus 11x minus 6. We can write the expression as in polynomial form. X cube minus 6x squared plus 11x minus 6. We can write this expression as in the form of polynomial. We call polynomial in x in degree 3. Cubic polynomial in x. We suppose any value of x, any root or value of x which satisfies this polynomial. For example, if we say, we suppose x is equal to 1, we can check whether x is equal to 1, it satisfies this polynomial or not. We put x is equal to 1 cube minus 6, 1 square plus 11, multiply 1 minus 6, we get 1 cube minus 6 1 to 6 plus 11 1 to 11 minus 6, we get 12 minus 12 which become 0. Hence we can write 1 x is equal to 1 is the root of this polynomial. We can write x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 is the root or value of x or solution of this polynomial. Hence we can write x minus 1 is the factor of this polynomial. X minus 1 is the first factor of polynomial. When x is equal to 1, its roots, we can say that x minus 1 will be the factor of this polynomial. And to find other factor, we just divide this polynomial by the factor x minus 1. For other factors, we divide x cube minus 6x squared plus 11x minus 6 divided by x minus 1. After dividing, again, when we multiply minus 5x by x, we get minus 5x squared and plus 5x. Changing the sign, we get 6x minus 6, we multiply plus 6, 6 multiplied with 6x minus 6. We get remainder 0. Hence, its other factor will be x squared minus 5x plus minus 5x plus 6. We can write the polynomial x cube minus 6x squared plus 11x minus 6 in factor form x minus 1. When we multiply this factor by this factor, we get again a polynomial. X squared minus 5x plus 6. We can multiply, we can now easily find its factor. X squared minus 2x minus 3x plus 6 by taking x as common, x minus 2 minus 3 as a common, x minus again 2, we get x minus 1, x minus again common, and then x minus 3. Hence, there are three factors of this polynomial. X cube minus 6x squared plus 11x minus 6 are in factor form is equal to x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 are there three factors. Okay, after factorizing, we have to find the sketch. We have to draw its graph. Before to draw the graph of this curve, we have to check some important information about the curve. Curve is not symmetric about any axis. Curve is not symmetric about any axis. Origin 0, 0 is not lies on curve. To find x-intercept, we put y is equal to 0 for x-intercept. When we put y equal to 0, we get x cube minus 6x plus 11x minus 6. Y is equal to 0. When we put y is equal to 0, we get polynomial x cube minus 6x plus 11x minus 6, whose factors are x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. By putting each factor is equal to 0, we get x is equal to 1, x equal to x equal to 3. There are 3 points where curve touch x-axis. These are called x-intercept. There are 3 points, x equal to 1, x equal to 2 and x equal to 3 where curve touch x-axis. To find y-intercept. To find y-intercept, we put x equal to 0. When we put x equal to 0, we get y equal to minus 6. Y equal to minus 6 is the point where curve touch y-axis. Y-intercept are minus 6. Curve touch y-axis at y equal to minus 6. After this, we take some values. Table values. When x is equal to 0, we get y is equal to minus 6. When x is 0, y is equal to minus 6. When x is equal to 1, y becomes 0. When x is equal to 2, y becomes 0. When x is equal to 3, y becomes again 0. This is the table value. We know draw its graph. Its graph is very simple. We take values. Y is equal to minus 6. y1, y2, y3, y4, y5 and y minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and minus 6. When x equal to 0, y equal to minus 6. This is a point. Where curve touch y-axis. And other point when x equals 1. X equal to 1, this is the point. X equal to 2, this is the point. As x equal to 2, x equal to 3, this is the point. At this point, curve touch x-axis. And when we take x equal to 4, for example, we get value of y which is highest value, any high value. We know draw its graph. To draw its graph, we have to join these points. Y is equal to minus 6. We join these points. This is the graph of this curve. It is the graph of this curve. Y is equal to x equal to 1, x equal to 2 and x equal to 3. And this is a point. It is the graph of this curve.